32 degrees right now. It's clear sky and it's going to allow for those temperatures to drop. Winds out of the northwest right now, and that clear cold air will dominate. The burbs even colder. And when you factor in the winds, just shave off a few degrees off of that. So cold air will be entrenched. It's going to set the stage for what's to come. And this area of low pressure is to come. It's been wreaking havoc across the west coast, along the west coast, and now across the nation, moving from west to east. And we're going to time it all out for you. Right now, we are dry, but come Wednesday, or rather Monday evening, I'd say a start time anywhere between 4 and about 7. You figure right at around the 6 o'clock hours when things will start to take shape. But that's just a window that I'm giving you right now. And that cold air north of that warm front allowing for that snow to develop. But then you have that rain snow line. South of the I-95 corridor, Route 78, Route 80, also a benchmark for where we'll see that line set up. So if you're in central southern New Jersey, mostly rain. Along the coast of Long Island, mostly rain, and then a little bit of mixing. North of there, that's where we get the most accumulating snow. And then this kind of hangs on for a bit, even through Tuesday morning, with some lingering snow showers into the afternoon. But also make note here, we have those winds coming off of the ocean waters, which can also aid in bringing that transition along. But what's going to happen is we have our main source, that area of low pressure that'll head further north, and we'll have another that's going to develop south. We're going to talk about that in just a sec. In terms of futurecast snowfall totals, a couple models that we're working with, anywhere from about 1 to 3 inches, most areas north and west of the city, higher amounts. Along the coast, little to no accumulations, and points south, especially central southern New Jersey, not really getting much of anything. So there's a look at one model. Here's a look at another model. This is our European. And again, within the same range, the only difference is that I'm looking at is islip taking us closer to 4 inches, but really does, again, depend on where those bands will set up. So here's a good gauge in what you should expect. So closer to the coast, little to none, maybe a coating to about an inch. North shore of Long Island within this 1 to 3 range. And then the higher you go are the higher totals. Plain rain further south. And then those winds will be gusting near 40 miles per hour. There's that secondary low that's going to bring in that added moisture that's going to work in conjunction with that low that's going to develop north and west of here. Wednesday into Thursday, some more rain this time, and then a complex system. This one we're paying close attention to for your Friday. So keep it locked for all the latest. This should kind of wind down in time for the weekend. And there's a look at your 7-day forecast.